Oh, humby.
Say hi to the camera, bud. Oh, yes. The viewers are gonna love that.
Class Rapids, cute guy.
Cute guy Rapids. You gotta get some backward shots of the crew.
Yeah, we got a back yacker here.
Yeah, I'm a back yacker. Best one they've seen.
Randall's video in the back. Yeah.
Best back yacker you've seen on this side of Mississippi. Damn. You hear him? Oh yeah, I just replaced the battery. Perfect time. Yeah. Hit it, bud. Hit it. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! All right. Whoa! Woohoo! Whoosh! Holy crap! Woo! My boat is full. Oh, what a wreck! Oh, I'm going down. I'm taking on too much water. I'm sinking. I gotta paddle the shore. Ah! Grass Island! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh gosh! I'm going under. Dude, I can't take that on. God, I'm going down. My ship's is sinking. Oh shoot! Oh gosh! Oh geez! Oh, okay, slow it down. Ooh. Barely, but this yak, she's full. Just doing a casual water drain. They just might be a little waterlogged, but survived the rapids.
Right.
Yeah.
They're meant to be.
I caught them from the river.
Not a sip of water in there.
No, they're fresh caught too. And they're red, like red salmon. Reds. They're reds from the Kasilof.
Yeah,
pretty tasty. Yeah, pretty tasty, huh?
Resealable.
Oh, resealable, exactly. Yeti, not sponsored yet. Oh my gosh, we got a missing yak. Oh, Brian's about to go under. Oh jeez. Right, are we that close? Good luck with that one. All right, rescue mission. Are both of you there? You and Tim? Is Tim up there somewhere? Yeah, they just gotta drain Evan's yak. That is about the most perfect thing I've ever seen. Yeah. I got it all on video.